What's up? It's Dan McDonald. We're going to talk about the Hawaiian wildfires. But before I do, I'm going to tell you about the Elite Video Club's 7-day juice cleanse going on this coming weekend from the 20th to the 27th. We're going to be doing a group juice cleanse. And so if you want to join us, all you got to do is click on the link down below and join the Elite Video Club. We're going to launch that off with a live Zoom class on Sunday, and then we're going to have another live Zoom class midway, and then we'll finish it off with another live Zoom class. And I'm also going to be providing video support throughout the week. Can you dig it? So join us on the Elite Video Club, and you know, I'm going to be doing the Core 4, the Heal All. So if you want to join us on the Elite Video Club for the 7-day juice cleanse, 7-day reboot is what it is. I have a 7-day reboot, lose 21 pounds in 21 days, and the 90-day Heal All protocol, all based on the Core 4 from Paradigm. So if you want to join me for the 7-day juice cleanse, the 7-day reboot, which is what I'm going to be doing, which I do it every day anyways. You know, I just live the lifestyle all the time. You know, so I'm always on the 90-day Heal All protocol. That's why I poop like a racehorse and feel fantastic and have everything's working, you know. Well, you know, those things, okay. But we've been through a lot, so we ain't going to be too hard on him, you know what I'm saying? But you want to order your Core 4 today, you know, a bottle of the cleanse and a bottle of the herbal blood and a bottle of the Purazyme and a bottle of the Puralife, okay? And that'll get you through the 7-day reboot. So check us out over there. And we got the support group on WhatsApp that everyone helps each other over there. And that's how I stay in communication with everybody. So join us for the 7-day juice cleanse. Looking forward to it. So the wildfires are not wildfires. But people were getting me like 100 messages, you know, like, are you okay? I'm on a totally different island, so I'm nowhere near that. But definitely, you know, it's kind of a bummer. But those low-income housing, and that's a really prime piece of real estate, so Zappo, you know. So that's what's going on. You know, tinfoil hat hour here. So now they're going to go in and clean it all up, and then they're going to start with a whole new, they just needed to raise it to the ground so they could start over and bring in the developers that wanted that land. So, you know, that's not what the news is going to tell you, but the news is lying to you about everything. They're lying to you about Trump, they're lying to you about Hunter Biden, they're lying to you about Joe Biden, they're lying to you about every single thing that comes out of their mouth is 100% propaganda lie. We're living in a sort of a 3D communism, 5D super illuminated states of, sure buddy, right. Like we know they're lying, so we know when they open their mouth that they're lying. So then you're like, okay, you're lying. But then, you know, 35% of the people watch CNN and Joy Reid lie to their face with her eyelashes that are like 9,000 feet long. And it's like, you don't want to listen to somebody like this. You don't want to listen to The View because they're part of the thing, and all the Hollywood celebrities and stuff, they're lying to you too. Some of them are finally starting to kind of wake up. And you just want to live in the truth and not a bunch of propaganda lies, which is what's been going on for your entire life. From school, they tried to brainwash you. Church, they try to brainwash you, and nobody's here to actually set you free. So you got to set yourself free, and you got to emancipate yourself from mental slavery, because none but ourselves can free our mind. And when you go into the black velvet of the void, and then you tap into what's really true for this one, but you got to make sure your pineal gland and your pituitary gland are actually functioning optimally. So you may want to do some fasting, some juicing, because that juice cleansing with the Purazyme will get your colon cleaned out, and that'll start cleaning out and clearing out the cobwebs in your brain. because the cobwebs in your brain are associated with the, cobwebs in the gut, because the barrier that becomes inflamed and clogged up is the same barrier. There's only one barrier throughout the entire, it's a blood-brain barrier that's a neuroprotective for the brain, but also protects the whole entire body. And so if the microorganisms are healthy, then you'll be protected from those invading foreign substances, and most of the mercury and chemicals and toxicity get moved out. But so that's why it's very important to take care of your gut. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. We'll definitely be talking about that on the Elite Video Club during these live Zooms and everything else. So join us over there. What happened in Hawaii sucks. We're definitely sending a lot of love to those people who lost loved ones and who also lost their homes and whatnot. For those who are basically greedy and wanted to, remove, and the governors and the Hawaiian, and it's like these guys, man, the mayor, Maui, it's low vibes, dude. And all these politicians are so low vibration, dude. You would be amazed if you knew what they really did to each other, if you knew who Obama was, what he really is, if you knew who Gavin Newsom was, and Trudeau and Joe Biden, if you knew who they really were, you'd be, but the people are so dumb. Not everyone, half the people are awake, the other half are asleep. It's an interesting, that's why they're like 5D and 3D divide. They're like, because the 3D is like propaganda, 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 and the 5D is like, sure, you're lying, Can you dig it? They love the conspiracy stuff. I'm trying to get this video proper. Come on, dude.